What's happening with it, YouTube? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, back with another video for y'all. But look, peep this, man. This time, it ain't no special thing or nothing like that. I just wanted to share with y'all the unboxing of this Fear God that I had grabbed off of StockX. If you remember, I done the review on my white pair, but I'm here to just show y'all my box, my size or whatnot, just give you a quick look at it. But before we get into that, man, I want to let y'all know, I know y'all can see, I got the Sanford and Son edition of these Funko Pops, man. And if you don't know about Lamont Sanford and Fred G. Sanford, and the G always stood for going places, you feel me? And that's the way I'm trying to do with this YouTube stuff, you know, trying to go places, make a bunch of connections, move or whatnot. You know, by the grace of God, I'm gonna get there. But I just wanted to share with y'all these Funko Pops, and I also was able to pick up one of the legendary baseball players of all time, Mr. Babe Ruth, you know what I mean? So here you go, man. I give you a good look at that right quick. You know what I'm saying? Also give you a good look at Lamont and also Fred Sanford. You know what I'm saying? AKA Red Fox, one of the most funniest comedians to ever do it, man. But with that being said, man, let me put these away and I'm gonna get into this unboxing. Oh, I need a blade. Yeah, we're gonna do it old school style. That's how we do it. Yeah, man. Yeah. Here we go. The final touches. Alright. As you can see, got the StockX sticker here with the receipt. You know what I mean? And also, you got the card or whatnot straight from StockX. So now I'm gonna give y'all a quick look at this. And after that, I'm gonna do an on foot for y'all, man. And oh yeah. Yes indeed, yes indeed. I'm loving these things, man. I was so happy to be able to get a pair, man, like my wife, man. You know, starting to do a lot of same shoe type thing off in my crib, you know, and that's wonderful. I'm loving that. Even got the kids doing it as well, man. You know, trying to be whole, like a whole family thing. But yeah, man. Just give you a quick look at it. You know, I'm not about to get into it too much or whatnot. Give you a quick 360 of the shoe, man. And this is a personal pair, you know. This is my personal pair. Other than that, man, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button and also hit that notification bell. Also leave a comment at the bottom. And if you've been rocking with me, man, I appreciate you pulling back up. But other than that, man, you got your boy Chaotic Kicks, and I'm out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this on foot video for y'all, man. So check it out. Peace.